All right, let's lock in your glutes and core with the bridge hold, a powerhouse move for building strength, stability, and control. Here's how to set up. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet planted about hip width apart. Your arms should be relaxed at your sides, palms facing down. Now let's lift. Press firmly through your heels and drive your hips up, squeezing your glutes and core at the top. Imagine a straight line running from your knees to your shoulders. No sagging, no overarching. Keep your ribs tucked and abs tight to protect your lower back. A few things to watch out for: your knees caving in. Press them outward and keep them aligned. And overarching your back. Engage your core and don't let your ribs flare. Holding your breath, stay relaxed. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Want to step it up? Try this: a single leg bridge. Lift one foot off the floor and hold. A weighted bridge. Place a dumbbell or plate on your hips. Or a longer hold time. Challenge yourself to 30 to 60 seconds without dropping. And that's the bridge hold, a simple yet powerful move to build strength, control, and power.